Hey guys, today we're going to be doing the drop test on an iPhone 4S. This phone is, as you can see, it's seen some better days. It's physically sound, so we're going to be doing a drop test on this phone, and we're just going to see how it goes. Alright, on the side, 3, 2, 1. No damage yet. On the back, 3, 2, 1. Well, there's already cracking. Extremely disappointing. Alright, face down. 3, 2, 1. Back to back, these phones are faring terribly. Look at this. And it's correct on the front. On the side, head height, 3, 2, 1. What is wrong with these phones? So, the back is even worse now. The back is pretty much like off. Front is fine though. On the back, 3, 2, 1. This phone is like falling apart. That's the back now. On the face, 3, 2, 1. Only got worse. Time for 10 foot. Alright, this phone is faring terribly. Let's do 10 foot. Alright, we're jumping up the ladder right now. On the side, 3, 2, 1. Because though I dropped that wrong, let's do that again. Explosion. 2, 1. There we go. So, cracking got a little bit worse on the front. Back looks like this. Now for the back on 10 foot. 3, 2, 1. Did a little flip there. Yep, pretty bad. We're gonna do it again on the back. Because why not? 3, 2, 1. More flips. That's pretty bad. Alright, face down. 3, 2, 1. This phone is faring terribly. This screen is cracked even more. Terribly cracked. Alright, on the face again. 3, 2, 1. Well, there's that. So I'm gonna do a hammer test, and we're gonna, I don't know. You can see the collection of batteries I've collected. All right, let's do this real quick. It's almost a safety hazard. Please, please be careful when doing this. And once again, please be careful. You know, I don't want anything happening to y'all. Yeah, there you go. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this just as much as I did making it. Once again, please wear gloves. Please do this outside. Please do this in a controlled environment. I have a bucket of water with me. Unfortunately, my cameraman isn't here today. So there's that. With that being said, hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.